Good morning, children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class, we completed the exercise 5.1 up to 8, which we completed. Now I'm going to start the 9th bit. Okay, let us start the class. 40 divided by 10, 9th one. 40 divided by 10. How you will write 40 divided by 10, children? How you will write 40 divided by 10? Here you have to do the repeated subtraction. How you will do repeated subtraction? 40 minus 10 equal to 30. Next, 30 minus 10. We have to repeat, we have to subtract that 10. Till we will get 0. 20. Next, 20 minus 10. 10 minus 10. 0. So, if you think how many times we repeated this subtraction? 4 times. How many times we repeated subtraction? 4 times. 4. See the next method. 25 divided by 5 equal to how much? So, we have to subtract this 5 from 25. You have to subtract this 5 from 25. Then we will get how many times it is possible to get the 0. So 25 divided by 5. 25 minus 5, nothing but 20. Next, 20 minus 5, nothing but 15. 15 minus 5, nothing but 10. 10 minus 5, nothing but 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. How many times we repeated, children? Here we repeated 5 times that subtraction to get the 0. So answer is 5. So the answer is 5. See the next one. 3 divided by 1 equal to how much? That means we have to subtract 3. 1 from 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we got 0. How many times we done this process, children? 3 times. We repeated this subtraction. So answer is 3. So answer is 3. See the last one, 12 one. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. So first 12 minus 2. How much more? 10. 10 minus 2. 8. 8 minus 2. 6. 6 minus 2. 4. 4 minus 2. 2. 2 minus 2. 0. Here we got 0. So how many times I repeated this subtraction, children? Here I repeated this subtraction for 6 times. Not 1 or 2 times. I repeated it for 6 times. So the answer is 6. So the answer is 6. See the next one, B Roman. How many? B Roman. How many? See the B Roman, children. How many? How many? First one. How many fours in 16? How many fours in 16? How many fours in 16? Fours in 16. How many fours are there in 16? That means if you divide 16 with 4, you will get that answer. If you divide 16 with 4, you will get that answer. So 16 divided by 4. In 4 table, when it comes to 16, children, once repeat the 4 table. 4 ones 4, 4 twos 8, 4 threes 12, 4 4 16. So 4 times it comes, so 4 4 16. See the second one. 5 is in 20. How many 5s are there in 20? How many 5s are there in 20? That means 20 divided by 5. In 5 table, when it comes 20, repeat the 5 table. 5 ones 5, 5 twos 10, 5 threes 15, 5 fours 20, 5 fives 25. So 5 fours, 4 times it comes, 5 fours 20. See the third one, Nana? 3 is in 18. 3 is in 18. How many 3s are there in 18? That means 18 divided by 3. In 3 table, when it 6 times it is possible. So 6 3s are there in 18. 2s in 10. 2s in 10. That means 10 divided by 2. In 2 table when it comes 10. Repeat the 2 table children. 2 ones, 2 2s, 4 2 3 6 2 4 8 2 5 10. So 5 times. So 5 2s are there in 10. See the next one, fifth one. How many 6s in 18? How many 6s are there in 18? That means 18 divided by 6. In 6 table when it comes 18. 6 1 6 6 2 12 6 3 is 18. So 3 times. So 3 6s are there in 18. See the last one. How many 5s in 15? 5s in 15. So 15 divided by 5 equal to how much? In 5 table when it comes 15, 5 1s 5, 5 2s 10, 5 3s 15. So 3 5s are there in 15. 3 5s are there in 15. Okay children? Next one, exercise 6.2 about division facts. About division facts. Write the division facts for the following. Exercise 6.2. Write the division facts. Write the division facts for the following. Write the division facts for the following. First one, 4 into 7 equal to 28. 4 7s 28. Here they are asking us to write the division facts for this number. Write two division facts for this number. Always one multiplication contains two division facts. Those are first division fact. 28 divided by 4 equal to 7. Next 28 divided by 7 equal to 4. That means if you divide the product what we get from any number of these, you will get the second number as the answer. See the second one, 2 9s 18. 2 9s 18. Write the division facts for 18. 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. 18 divided by 9 equal to 2. See the third one. 5 into 8 equal to 40. So write the division facts for this. So 40 divided by this first number 5 equal to 8 and the 40 divided by the second number equal to 5. See the fourth one then. 5 6 are 30. So write the division facts for this. 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. See the fifth one. 3 into 9 equal to 27. 3 9s 27. Here they are asking us to write the division fact. This 27 divides 3 means you will get 9. And this 27 divided by 9 equal to you will get 3. See the sixth one then. 6 8s 48. 6 8s 48. Write the division facts for that. So 48 divided by 6 equal to 8. 48 divided by 8 equal to 6. See the seventh one children. 7 6 are 42. So 42 divided by 7 equal to 6. Again 42 divided by 6 equal to 7. See the eighth one children. 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. Here 56 divided by 8. 56 divided by 8 equal to 7 and 56 divided by 7 equal to 8. See the next two division facts here. 9 8s 72. Ninth one, 9 6 9 54. Write the division fast. What is 72 divided by 9 equal to 8? 72 divided by 8 equal to 9. See the next one, ma. 54 divided by 6 equal to 9. At the same time, 54 divided by 9 equal to 6. Okay, children, in the next class we will meet you again.